Pasta with beef stroganoff. Place 1 pack of fettuccine pasta into 1.5 litres of boiling water. Add the salt and cook for 8 to 10 minutes. Drain the pasta when cooked. Cut 250 grams of fillet steak into long thin strips, quarter 1 medium onion and chop into thin slices. Slice the canned mushrooms into thin slices, slice the gherkins into long thin strips. Melt 2 tablespoons of butter in a wide, flat bottom pan. Add the chopped onion to the melted butter and sauté until golden brown. Then add the meat to the onions and cook until browned. Cook the following ingredients as listed: mustard, mushrooms and then gherkins. Last of all, add the 3 tablespoons of Worcester sauce, the meat stock, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper and the 240 grams of cream. Dress the cooked pasta with 1 tablespoon of olive oil and place on a serving plate. Cover with the stroganoff you prepared earlier and serve hot. Bon appétit!